Welcome to America's Got Talent.
Hello.
What's your name?
We are very warm.
Where are you from? I noticed an accent.
From France.
Oh, wow. What is it that you do?
We're vocal performer.
Vocal performers.
Yeah.
Are you related?
No, we are old friends, but we're like brother now. So we are family.
And what is your dream? What do you want to do?
Our biggest dream is to win America's Got Talent.
So this is the dream.
Yeah.
So good luck.
I'm excited. They're like mysterious looking. I like it.
This is the rhythm, but you can all fight with.